की गई है और
जी
जो करीब प्रतिक्रिया है वो आ रही है। जी
बिल्कुल, बन रही है आप हमारे संग। रमेश बिधूड़ी का भी अब बयान आया है। रमेश बिधूड़ी, बीजेपी कैंडिडेट फॉर कालकाजी असेंबली सीट, has filed a complaint against Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party candidate Atishi from the same seat. He accused Atishi of creating a false narrative by filing bogus complaints and pressurizing the administration. Bidhudi has claimed Atishi has made a fake video to damage his reputation and argues that she has no proof to back her allegations. In a letter to the EC, has urged action against Atishi, accusing her of misleading the public with fabricated content. Bidhudi further challenged Atishi to demonstrate her own accomplishments rather than engaging in smear campaigns. He also called for the EC to take immediate action to prevent any unfair influence on the election process.
इलेक्शन कमीशन को चिट्ठी लिखी है और कहा है कि हमारे खिलाफ हम एक नैरेटिव आतिशी बनाने की कोशिश कर रही हैं। उनके पास लोग यहाँ है नहीं और झूठे आरोप लगाकर कि हमारे लोग इस प्रकार से झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं। कोई उनके पास वीडियो नहीं, कोई प्रूफ नहीं है किसने क्या किया है, कोई वीडियो दिखाए। ऐसी ने एक फेक वीडियो डाली है। वो फेक वीडियो दो उनके कार्यकर्ता हैं, बी ब्लॉक कालकाजी में रहती हैं। उनके साथ एक महिला रहती है, मिसेस सिन्हा कोई है। उसके कहने पर उन्होंने वो वीडियो फेक बनाई है, क्योंकि उन्होंने कोई डेवलपमेंट का काम तो किया नहीं, कुछ कर नहीं सकती। अब क्या कहे लोगों को, तो इसलिए इधर उधर की बात ना कर कारवा क्यों लूटा, ये आतिशी को बताना चाहिए कि उन्होंने काम क्या किया है। तो इलेक्शन कमीशन इसकी जांच कराए और जांच कराने का पुलिस को आदेश दे कि उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए अगर झूठी शिकायत तो। और अगर उनको कोई मिले तो उनके स्केच जारी करें, बताएं कौन कार्यकर्ता मिले, कैसे मिले, इस प्रकार।
Mehndi Garg is joining us for more on this story. Mehndi, big statement being made by Ramesh Bidhudi, the Aam Aadmi Party candidate from Kalkaji, has been attacked by Ramesh Bidhudi of the BJP. What is he alleged?
Well, indeed, Uday, ahead of the assembly polls, the Kalkaji assembly seat has become a hot seat right now, and all the candidates have involved in the war of words because, earlier Aam Aadmi Party has, targeted Ramesh Bidhudi over his controversial comments, and now Ramesh Bidhudi on filing the complaint against the Delhi CM and also Aam Aadmi Party candidate Atishi for allegedly filing false complaints and exerting undue pressure on administration, has written a complaint to the Election Commission. And, talking about the complaint that Bidhudi has done on that, he mentioned that how he has written an official letter to the Election Commission and said that Atishi is trying to create a false narrative against him. And not only this, Uday, he also mentioned that how Aam Aadmi Party and Atishi doesn't have a proof against him, and this is a fake narrative that Aam Aadmi Party is trying to create against him, because as per Ramesh Bidhudi, Aam Aadmi Party is scared of losing the elections, of losing the Kalkaji assembly seat as well. And apart from that, they also, he mentioned that how a fake video has been made by Atishi and circulated in the particular assembly so that, the narrative can be made against Ramesh Bidhudi. And also he asked Atishi that what has she done in the last 5 years for the Kalkaji assembly seat as well, and asked the Election Commission in the official letter as well that Election Commission should take strict action against her, and also ask what all work she has done in the particular constituency apart from creating a fake narrative against Ramesh Bidhudi. Yes, Uday.
All right, Mehndi, stay with us. In fact, we're getting more news coming in this.